For a forge. And that one could be a hammer. Hephaistos has the mightiest hammer ever crafted. And that one matches the statue outside. These are some kind of clue.
On the next piece, I'm seeing snow, but trapped in a globe. I call it inclement weather line. Maybe snow is here. No, I'm close.
Hephaistos, you're here.
It's like the forge was calling me. I couldn't think of it.
About that, I cleared the vents, started the fires, and got the water wheels moving. Even unlocked some strange lifts inside, but nothing happened.
Well, I was talking to my friends, and they said they're the key to restarting it. They have to touch things.
Now we're talking. Zeus.
This place is ancient. They say you built this entire forge yourself.
Me? But it's so grim, so dirty, and untidy.
Wait, we don't know what that does!
My little one. Aren't you Hephaistos? A shame your labor should be wasted on mediocrity. The disfigured god's past is accessible. His future, the cleansing fires of the forge. Turn away! Leave him to burn in its flames.
Hephaistos, run!
Your potential is outweighed by your foolishness. A pity I have to balance the scales.
Hephaistos, come out! You're okay.
What is this? Such pain in this market. Sorrow? Suffering?
Real art. I'd say you were trying to leave us a message.
Me? How next, please?
I think past you left a clue to recover your memory. Something Typhon couldn't decipher. Can you read any of it?
It's incomplete.
Hephaistos, you genius! It is missing a piece. Now, where did I put it? This isn't your signature, Hephaistos. It's the rest of the puzzle. Hammer, a forge's fire, the statue, and this box. Do you know what this is?
Of course, he did not know what it was, but in their possession was Pandora's box.
You dare to open this again? Chaining you to this rock was your justice for giving fire to mortals. Pandora's box was the mortal's justice.
So you forced your son Hephaistos to forge a box capable of unleashing every conceivable evil upon them? That's justice?
Hephaistos was happy to oblige. He knew what he was doing.
He did what he was ordered to do after you tortured him for his entire existence.
Don't you talk about my son!
Pandora acted with innocent curiosity by opening that box. You acted with vile contempt.
I gave them a warning, and look what happened! Mortals ravaged and defiled their world and each other. Clearly, the warning was not enough. It's finished now. They are stone, and Pandora's box was the beginning of the end.
So, first, we need a hammer. Where did you... Never mind. I think past you is telling us we need to imbue that hammer with the power of the Forge's fire, then break through here.
That is so mean.
If I'm reading this right, your essence is underneath. But that's not all. I told you what this is.
That's a gearbox.
No, well, yes. But also, it used to contain every kind of suffering. Enough suffering to fill the world. And you suffered, Hephaistos. A lot. Cast from Mount Olympus. Rejected. Alone. No matter how generous you were, no matter how hardworking, every god rejected you just because you were different. This box is the final clue. I think Typhon stole your suffering, and that's why you lost your memories.
So, to get my memories, to get my talent back.
You mean feeling the pain that's been locked away.
Go.
I will make you perfect. You will suffer, but it will be worth it.